Hey guys, it's Angie. I am so excited to tell you about this ice maker that the brand gifted to me. I'm going to walk you through what you get in the box, how to get it started, and then show it to you in action. So once everything is out of the box, this is what you have. You've got your machine, your handle. They give you a little ice scoop, which you can actually put right here into the back. This is your ice basket, and it comes inside of this when you get it. You have, I would say this is probably about a 4 to 5 foot cord. I haven't undone it yet. We'll measure that later if we need to. And then you get your instruction pamphlet. In this, it tells you everything that you need to know about getting up and going. And they even send you a water scale guide. So based on the area of the country that you're in, it gives you a diagram of the hardness of your water. So this tells you how often that you actually need to descale the ice machine. Now, when you first get this, there's a couple things that you want to do before you get started making that really cool chewable ice. So you want to wash your ice basket, wash your ice scoop in a mild detergent, warm water, rinse it well. Also, you want to get down in here, wash this with a soft cloth, warm water, again, mild detergent, and then you're going to want to rinse this. On the bottom here, this is your drain plug. So you're going to pull that out and drain whatever water that you've used. And after that, we're ready to get that nice soft chewable ice going. I absolutely love the color on this. Goes great in my kitchen. Now I've already washed and rinsed this and I'm ready to get some ice going. So I'm pouring my water into the max fill line. Drop in the ice bucket. This has been running for about 20 minutes now. I've got about half a bucket of ice. The pellets are really nice and small. The controls are really easy to operate. It's one push operation. Very simple. You've also got indicator lights on when your ice is full and when you need to add water. The pellets have kind of a rectangular shape to them. They're flat on the back and then they have 3 flat sides on the front. Nice chewable ice. This is going to be a super handy addition when we have those family get-togethers. If you're looking for an ice machine, keep this one in mind. Thanks for watching and I hope you found this video helpful.